Hello and welcome from the electric community meetup in Hamm. You might have already seen or will see the road trip to and from this event. That's a different video or maybe multiple, I'm not sure about that yet. But we are here at the meetup with all the people. It's awesome to be here, and I'm just going to show you a bit around what you can see here, what program there's on the stage and around all of that, and all the cars you can see, and later the light show and the camping and everything will be awesome. I guess there will be some commentary on filming because it's quite loud sometimes here, so we'll see about that. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this just as I do as I'm here, so have fun. We're currently sitting in a BYD Seal, having a look at it, and gotta say, looks pretty good. I don't like this display here, kinda just stuck on there. Not big fan of that, but otherwise those materials are pretty good. Feels good. Those buttons over here are okay. They are glossy, so I don't like that too much, but could be worse, I would say. Not a deal breaker. The screen is pretty cool. You can just turn it around. Pretty loud though, the motor. And I don't know how much you would use this, but maybe for watching YouTube while charging versus navigation where you want to see more of that. The software is pretty snappy. It's basically Android, I would say. You can take photos and stuff. It's funny, but all in all, not a bad car. Here we've got another look at the outside of the BYD Seal, and I have to say it's just a beautiful car. Look at that pretty Model 3, and look at those rims. I love them. Maybe I'm gonna have a look if I can get those. Those are awesome. Just want to show you some of the impressions of all the pretty cars that are parked here. Of course, a lot of Tesla. Look at those rims, just beautiful. And look at this Taycan. We love it. Friend from the e-Cannonball. Absolutely awesome. Model X back there, and Seat Me and everything. Over here we got the pretty MG4 in nice orange color, and here we got the Toyota BZ4X. This is a VinFast VF8. You don't see that too often yet. This Mercedes dealer group also has some cars on display here, like this Maxus e-Deliver 3, the EQV, the eVito and the e-Citan. And while we're walking through here, have a look at this beautiful location they selected for this event. It's an old coal mine, and it's now out of order and just available for those events. I gotta say, I always wanted to drive one of those, and it's awesome. Pretty small, but it works. Oh Gott, Vorsicht! It's just not quite as fast as mine and not as roomy, but it's fun. Really love it. Little Model S over here. Okay, let's stop. Ugh. Oh my god, that's so small. Didn't break, that's awesome. Love it. Right here in the middle we got the cars of the organizers and the sponsors of this event, of course, which is pretty awesome. And they are already turning on the lights on the facade here. I wonder what it looks like when it's dark later on. That's gonna be beautiful. Okay, so we are preparing for the light show, and we got a USB stick with the number 2 on it. So let's open up the glove box and switch those. Let me just get this out of the bag and plug in there. Here we go. I think we gotta go to the toy box and light show, schedule show, and now we want the custom USB light show. Yeah, that's one. I think only this one. So let's quickly try if this works, I would say. Just for a second. Confirm. Let's see if this does its job. Enjoy the light show. And it does things. Looking good. Perfect. Close everything up again. This window is still squeaking. And yeah, in 5 minutes we can plan the show for 8 p.m. And I'll just show you when it starts. And just look at this. Teslas wherever your eye goes. It's huge. Don't even know what to say. Just prepared the show. 7, almost 8 minutes remaining. Awesome. We are 22 seconds from start. And look at this. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What a view. As the show is done, a lot of people are leaving here. You see Teslas, Model 3s, Model Ys leaving everywhere. Pretty cool. Good morning from the back of my car. We just camped in our cars, and all the cars you can see there had some people sleeping in them. Quite a lot of people. Pretty cool. Look at that pink Tesla next to me. That's funny. Some people even brought their caravan with them over there. Somewhere back there. I don't know if you can see it from here. I'm pretty tired. Yeah, but it's pretty funny, and it's breakfast soon. So we're gonna get up and go to get over there. A lot happening here at the breakfast, which is sponsored by Baker Schüren, who has also his charging park in Hilden. Got a nice croissant, and we're sitting back in the VIP area because my friend is allowed here. Just going around the campsite, having a look at all the camping solutions. That's pretty interesting. 2 U5s with roof tent and stuff. That's funny. Alright, so there were a lot of talks. I just spoke with so many people. It was so nice. We've seen so many things. I don't know if it's that long, this video. I have no idea. But I hope you had a good impression of what you could see here. Also, there's a Twizy back there. I can't zoom, but can you see this? Love it. Twizy is awesome. Gotta drive more with my Twizy. Anyway, that's pretty much been it. We are now gonna head out to charge our cars in Carmen at the charging park. You're gonna get a charge guide from there. And then we're gonna go eat some burgers at JP Performance Place. The Big Boost Burger, which is just half an hour from here. So that's pretty nice. Yeah, I would say that's been it for this video. Road trip from the trip here and home will be coming. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you guys in the next one. Bye.